A lot of people like, what's the mission, what's the vision, and what we doing? You know, taking guys who been through struggles, been through certain circumstances, just going through life, you know, and have a place where they can work, a place they can have family. If they don't have nobody, you know, they got Deep South, and that's what we're building here. We're building a place where they can work. And upstairs, we're putting 12 beds, you know, for the guys to sleep. And you know, I'm just building my army, you know, right now. You know, building my team. I say, team of men who have a good heart. Team of men who want something out of life and help me help others, you know, reach one, you know, teach one, reach one thing. And not just that, you know, I don't get blessed till I get my purpose, till I do the mission of God, till I be able to do the things that I need to do. And you know, God can let me see a whole lot of good days and a whole lot of bad days, but that don't stop me from grinding and don't stop me from helping people. So along my journey, this is part of it, you know. Building my third shop, and this one here is all nonprofit, all giving back. A lot of people like, how can you give back and you ain't there yet? But sometimes you're lonely at the top. You're lonely at the top. So, you know, me doing what I have to do and trusting God, you know, this here is all God's work. And people been donating wood to me, donating time, giving me everything that I ever needed, you know. Just for instance, you know, we went to Lowe's the other day to buy some wood. We bought $500 worth of wood for $60. And that wasn't nothing but God. You know, we just went there and told him what we was doing. He's like, hey, I got some wood out there. He didn't know. I needed everything he had, and everything he had on there, we using it right now to build his frame, you know. So stay tuned. This is what we're doing.